So we're back for day 4 of post Snowstorm January 2026, and we are looking at the roads.
And I still haven't gotten out of our driveway yet, but I really haven't had anywhere I had to go.
But you've had some fun breaking up the ice with the drill.
Oh yeah, that is a lot. That's one of my new fun things to do in the snow. Let's drill some ice. Ooh, break up, baby, break it up. I got a hammer, got a chisel, I got a crowbar.
Yeah, is it working?
When I thought I got the most important things covered down with salt and shoveled through, you know, from the back door to the art studio, back door, the hot tub, to the cars, brought the snow blower in, brought the snow shovel, I forgot that I might actually need to get into the other tool shed.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Put some swing in that.
Get my foot out of the way.
Oh yeah.
Now that is one solid hunk of ice.
And I was out and about yesterday and got some Dashcam video of how the roads are coming along. And I don't imagine there's been a whole lot of change since then.
Our road really hasn't changed. You can see it hasn't been plowed, which is another great reason to stay home.
But it's going to snow again this weekend, so the forecasters say. So you may be out next week too.
Oh, help us.